Hi, I'm Laksana, just an average person who's trying to be consistent. I wake up every single day and do 100 push-ups before 5:30 a.m. every single day, and it's fully documented on my Instagram. You can just check it out. This is July 16th, 2025, and this is going to be day 373 of consistently helping people build consistency. So why can't we even be consistent, okay? Doing the things that we actually like, the things that we are passionate about, why we cannot be consistent on doing those things. You might have some dreams about being great on some particular field, like sport, or some subject like mathematics or science. You want to be great at it, and you know that in order to achieve greatness, you need to show up every single day. That's just common sense. You need to be consistent. But there's always these excuses that makes you not show up, okay? Or say that you are going to show up not today, but tomorrow. Isn't it weird? I mean, you actually enjoy it, and to some level, to some extent, you are good at doing these things. The question here is, why cannot we even be consistent at doing the things that we like, okay? Well, I believe the reason is because when we love doing the things, we wanted to be great on the field, and we have high level of expectation to ourselves to perform well. Okay? And here's the thing, consistency means showing up daily. And when you show up daily, there will be days when you do not really perform as good as how you expected. And it's painful, okay? You are going to be having the fear of, oh yeah, what if I'm not as good as yesterday? What if I cannot impress others with my skills like I used to? The fear itself isn't the problem. The problem is our coping mechanism towards that fear. So, the problem here is when we avoid doing the thing because of the fear that we have. So one really practical solution to this is to basically constantly remind ourselves that the results aren't going to be always be better than yesterday. Okay, when we just show up every single day, the progress isn't going to look like that. But if you just stick long enough and actually learn and compare day 1 versus day 100, there's a really high chance that you are going to see some progress and be proud of yourself. So that's how you actually be consistent at doing something. Join our Discord. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and subscribe. And yeah, for today's date, authenticity post today's July 16th, 2025, and today's memes are post today. How is he doing that post? Last 24 hours, GMT +7, but this video might be uploaded like 1 or 2 days from now because I do not have an editor. Thank you.